Good morning students. In last video lecture we have seen the classification and we have seen the quadrilateral. What are the different types of quadrilateral, and today we will do related exercise with the quadrilateral, that is exercise number 5.7. Which exercise? Exercise is 5.7. Exercise number is 5.7. And first question is, say true or false. We have to tell whether the given statement is true or false. So first is question number A. 1A. Each angle of rectangle is a right angle. Yes, each and every angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. So it is true. And now we will see B. The opposite side of rectangle are equal in length. Yes, it is also correct. So it will be also true. Now see, the diagonals of a square are perpendicular to each other. What we have to say? We have to say whether diagonal of a square are perpendicular to each other. Yes or no? This is a square and diagonal is perpendicular or not? Yes. What? The diagonal of a square will be. So this statement is also true. Now moving to next question, that is D. All sides of rhombus are equal of length. Yes. It is a special type of rhombus in which all sides are equal. It is also true. Next one is E. All sides of parallelogram are equal of length. No. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. It may be equal, but in each and every case, it is not possible. Suppose you take rectangle is also an example of parallelogram. Here, it is not possible. So E will be false. Now next to F. The opposite sides of trapezium are parallel. No. There is only one pair of parallel sides, so another pair is not parallel, so we will not say that the opposite sides of trapezium are parallel. So this is also false statement. Now moving to question number 2. What is called? Give the reason. Give reason for the following. A square can be a special type of rectangle. Yes. A square can be a special type of rectangle. Yes. When the all sides of rectangle are equal, then it is a yes. First, when all sides of rectangle are equal. Next, moving to B. A rectangle can be thought of a special parallelogram. Yes, because when yes, the statement is correct. When angles of parallelogram is 90 degree. When angle of parallelogram is 90 degree, then all angle of parallelogram will be equal to 90 and it will converted into parallelogram. When angle of parallelogram equals to 90 degree. Next, moving on C. A square can be thought of a special rhombus. Yes. When angle of rhombus equals to 90 degree. Now moving to D. Square rectangles parallelogram are all quadrilateral. Yes, because all have 4 sides. सभी के पास कितने साइड है? 4 sides. Moving on next, E. A square is also parallelogram. Yes, because opposite sides are equal and parallel. What? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Question number 3. A figure is said to be regular if all sides are equal in length and angles are equal in measure. Can you identify a regular quadrilateral? Yes. When all sides are equal and all angles are equal, it is a special case of quadrilateral, that is a square. Which figure will be? A square. Now moving on next, our next topic is polygon. Polygons we have already discussed in chapter number 4. So we will discuss question related to this exercise. What? This topic. Now we will move to exercise 5.8, that is exercise 5.8. See exercise 5.8. First is examine whether the following are polygons if any one of them is not say wide. हमें बताना है कि पॉलीगन जो गिवन फिगर है वो पॉलीगन है कि नहीं. अगर पॉलीगन नहीं है देन वी हैव टू गिव रीजन. फर्स्ट ए सी व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन. ए फिगर, ए क्लोज फिगर मेड ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट. सो इन क्वेश्चन ऑफ फर्स्ट देयर इज अ लाइन सेगमेंट बट इट इज नॉट क्लोज्ड. सो no reason will be the figure is not closed. What? The figure is not closed. Second, B, yes. C, no. B, yes. C, no. What is the reason? It is a closed curve figure. Closed curve figure. Now moving on to next, that is D. No. One part is curve. D का जो फिगर वो है क्या? कर्व है. Now question number 2. Name the polygon. Name the each polygon. Question number 2. A. There is 4 line segments, so it will be A will be quadrilaterals. B. There is 3 sides, so this one will be triangle. C. There are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5-sided figure is known as pentagon. Now D, how many? 1, 2, 3, 6, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octagon. Then figure number D will be octagon. Now question number 3. Read what is the question number 3. Draw a rough sketch of regular hexagon connecting any 3 of its vertices. Draw a triangle. Identify the type of triangle you can identify the type of triangle you have drawn. Question. Now question number 3, we have to draw hexagon, regular hexagon. This is our regular hexagon and we have to draw a triangle by joining any 3 vertices. So I am using here different marker, that is colored marker. I am using red marker here. See, this line segment will be equal. So the triangle formed is isosceles triangle. Which type of triangle will be? Isosceles triangle will be. Now moving to next question, that is question number 4. Draw a rough sketch of regular octagon. Now we have to draw octagon. So let us see. We have drawn a regular octagon. Now draw a rectangle by joining exactly 4 vertices. Now we have to draw a rectangle by joining its 4 vertices. So let us see. The figure will be like this. You can join also this one, anyone. किसी को भी ज्वाइन करके you can make the figure now. Question number 5. A diagonal is a line segment that joins any two vertices of a polygon, and it is a north side of polygon. Draw a rough sketch of pentagon and draw its diagonal. What? In question number 5, we have to draw pentagon and we have to join the diagonals. How many diagonals will be there? Let us see. Question number 5. Pentagon is like that. Now we have to draw diagonals. So I am using red marker. From this one will be the first diagonal and this one will be the second. From here this and this and from this. So total number of diagonal will be 1, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of diagonals equals to 5. Total number of diagonal will be 5. Thank you. Have a nice day. Solve the exercise given in the homework.